Now here's a tip for you. Before you take this off, okay, to screw it back on there, I'm gonna tighten it up first because it's the first time to get it in here all the way. And see, I'm struggling a little bit just to get it into these threads this way, you know, hanging on to it. And it's going, and I want to make sure that it goes nice and easy. See, I'm within a ½ inch right there. Okay, I know that's probably plenty, but that kind of helped put some threads inside through that plastic so that when I take this back off, and I want to hold that up there just with my finger on the back side, it's going to help get it in there easier. I don't know why they make them so hard like this, but they do. Because see, what happens when you try to tighten it up, it kind of lifts out. See how it's lifted out of the hole of that slot, where there's a slot there. See how it's like that? If you're doing it for the first time and you're screwing it in there into the wall, you may have it like that, and you're trying to tighten it up, and I'm having a hard time tightening it because it's not wanting to slide in the groove. So that could be a tip for you, even if you're installing these cut-in boxes for the first time. Run that screw all the way in there. Now you've got some threads going on in through here already, and it's going to go a lot easier for you. There's a tip for you. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos